Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a knight in Royal Match. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we start, we need to understand what a knight really is in Royal Match. So being a knight isn't a separate player class or role like in RPGs. It's actually a ranked title given to top players who perform extremely well in special events, particularly the King's Cup and other major tournaments. Especially a knight is a prestigious rank or badge of honor that shows you're among the best players in Royal Match. So to do this, participate in the King's Cup. So the King's Cup is a major recurring event in Royal Match that allows players to compete for top ranks and prizes. So to enter, play it daily. The event appears on the main screen when available. Then go ahead and tap the King's Cup icon to see your tournament bracket, and then complete levels to earn points and move up the leaderboard. Now, at the end of the event, the top player earns special titles, crowns, and rewards. And then one of the highest achievements in those rewards is becoming a knight. So you typically need to finish or at top or at near top of your bracket to earn this honor.